Well guys, this is Chad They Do right here. And, well, I've gotten it apart, so yeah, it's not looking good. The only good news is the back side of this 4x4 looks to be really sturdy. This main beam. But this 2x6, I might have them go further, because even this here is soft. I might be looking at replacing this beam all the way to the corner, which means I got to pull more panels, and I'm going to have to go all the way this direction, and the slight receptacle's got to be removed, and that's why I haven't pulled that panel off yet. But yeah, this whole 2x6 is, yeah, it's pretty much done. It doesn't have any structural integrity to it at all. So lots of hard work, but it's got to be done. So after I fix this, I got to decide whether I'm going to repair or replace this roof, because it's like there's a lot of nail heads missing, and they didn't put the nails where they were supposed to, I don't think, or the nails. I just was poking around here when I pulled the gutters down, and well, if you look, this one here is missing the head of it off of there. This is like they tried to seal it, and well, it didn't. I guess anything with the UV rays over time is going to come loose. This right here is still kind of staying, but there's a lot of them that's popped loose. So yeah, I've got more cut out for me no matter what I do. So there's some sort of a coating that they put on here. I'm not sure what it is, but if I'm going to do a complete seal, I'm going to have to actually go through here and see which nails are loose. And I could be wrong, but I'm thinking there's only supposed to be a run of nails through here. The point being is I always thought that since this couldn't channel a whole lot of water, that this was supposed to be kind of where your water runs at. And also these are supposed to expand and contract with the heat. And now obviously they really can't, because they're rigidly hammered down here and here. These can expand and contract, but I could be wrong, but I think when I was younger I helped my dad fix the barn roof years ago, and I think you're supposed to run the nails from here all the way up in each one of these little channels. But so yeah, not much fun. So decisions. What would you do? Would you put a new roof on, or would you seal every one of these holes or fix every one of these nails that need repaired, and then put a whole seal this roof up? That's the debate I'm stuck in right now. But obviously I'm not going in the middle of winter. First I got to just fix this board here. That's the first objective, and then after that it's going to be fixing all the water leaks. And this is how they tried to seal every one of these areas from bees and hornets from getting up in there. It worked to a certain extent, but I even found a freaking bees or a wasp nest in the gutters. I was surprised to see that. So anyways, lots of work to do. So that's where I'm at. Chad They Do right out.